guys, my name is Nako Nakatsuka. I'm a fourth year chemistry PhD student at UCLA, and today I'll be helping you guys out by going over some general chemistry concepts. And good luck with the course. So now we move on to biomolecule survey part 2, which is lipids. So the term lipids comes from the term lipos, which is Greek for fat. And so they're organic molecules of biological origin that is insoluble in water and soluble in nonpolar solvents. So examples of nonpolar solvents are CH2, Cl2, or CH3, CH2, OCH2, CH3. So a lot of hydrocarbons. And so lipids have properties due to large nonpolar regions. And right now I'm going to remind you guys of the terms polar and nonpolar. So when you have something that's polar, it's hydrophilic, which means loving water, right? Because philic is loving and hydro is water. When something is polar, it can also be lipophobic, where lipo, the prefix, represents lipids, and phobic means you hate it. And so it's fat hating. When you have nonpolar, it's called hydrophobic because it hates water, or it's lipophilic. And so lipids are found mostly in fat tissues, membranes, and other nonpolar biological structures. And it includes a lot of different things. It's a very large and diverse group, as you can see right here. But in particular, we're going to talk about 7 particular groups today. We're going to talk about fatty acids, waxes, triacylglycerols, we will also talk about phospholipids, and for number 5, we have steroids. For 6, we have fat-soluble vitamins. Where examples of these are vitamin A, D, E, and K. And finally, we will talk briefly about prostaglandins. And there's also one other important family in lipids that are terpenes. But we're not going to get into too much detail because for this course, terpenes are not that important. But what they are is lipids that are produced mostly by plants, but it's not generally discussed for this course. So let's get started.